There you go. Nice. Take your time. 94 corridor. So I-94 will run into I-80. I-80 will take you straight across the country to the Midwest. I'm sorry, the East. I'm sorry, the West. So you're doing great. Nice. Great job. And you can see and feel the confidence in drivers when they're out here. I'm just looking around checking traffic. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I'm just looking for hazards. I see him through my peripheral vision, but I'm looking left, middle, right. I'm checking mirror. And then if he's fine, we'll just keep on the positivity. If he needs help or support, tell him to give that to him. But I know he's going to do well on this route, on the expressway. It's pretty smooth, not a lot of traffic. It's Sunday evening, about 6:30 Eastern Standard Time, so he's going to do fine. He's going to go over the bridge, and then he's going to be making a left turn onto the expressway. So, turn on left turn signal, and then you'll be getting in the middle lane, and then you're going to wait for your green. This is a solid red, so he can't go. Nice. Go ahead and merge in. Good job, brother. It's not too cold for you, is it? All right, all right. Then we just wait here. We got a solid red. Go get your money, brother. Turn slow. And now you're going to see this man merge. He's about to get it. No pedestrians or bicycles or motorcycles under 125 cc. Accelerators up. I'm going to give him time. Beginners always start out a little bit low. Keep eating. And eventually he'll be up there. I'm not even worried. Got to push the gas, build up, turn on blinker, get out to the first lane. He got out about 50, not too bad. And then he's going to let it eat about 70, 75 and just chill. Perfect. Love it. Nice merge. Perfect. He's just going to let it cruise now. Nice job. Excellent. Yeah, he's going to pass. Very good attitude in class. Hard worker. Pays attention. Listens. Does all the homework and activities. What more could I ask for? And then he's putting in good work. So students like this are blessed.